Okay, good morning people, namaste or tashidule as they say here in Sikkim. Welcome to heaven, and today I have a riding companion with me, my good friend Vishal that I met here a couple of days ago. I already like the guy very much, he's a great lad, we had good chats together. Today I'm going to share my bike with him, he's going to come on the pillion and we're going to be riding together towards Ravangla. We will see like these cool massive Buddha statue, and probably we can check out what's around as well, monastery and whatnot. Yeah, bro, I wanted to tell you, this is the first time I'm actually gonna share a ride with someone since France.
That would be nice, man.
Yeah, first time, bro.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No, but don't thank me. It's just I'm thinking I'm a bit selfish. Maybe I should do it more often. I just didn't have the opportunity.
Yeah, right.
So very happy to do it with you today.
You're a big heart.
Very happy to do it
Sharing
with
my
you
bike.
today. So I hope you don't get scared with me, bro.
No.
We're gonna have a lot of fun. So let's get started, guy. Let's ride. Oh, here you are. Is it taking you up there? Oh, okay. So I'll see you there. Cool. I'm excited to go on a little day ride with my new mate Vishal. They went to get a helmet because in Sikkim even the passenger has to get a helmet. It's mandatory, which is very good. It's it's gonna be the first state in India that I cross where helmet is mandatory for both. Oh, look at you, playboy! Looks good, eh? Yeah.
Right.
Let's do it, bro. All good? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, let's do it, guys. I'm excited. Ah, what a view, bro. What a view. Yeah, the road, like Mr. Sherpa would say, the road is organic as well. Yeah. Wow. Oh, man. Woo. Oh yeah, we walked all the way here yesterday for sunrise. Yeah. Wow, look at the road, bro. It's fucking brilliant, eh? It's a nice road, eh? Amazing. You know, for me, I love football, so whenever I see a football pitch, I'm happy. But when I see it with such a background, it makes me even happier. Oh, bro. Well, it looks like they haven't played for a long time, though. Crazy. Wow, imagine staying there.
That's what I'm saying. They are very lucky to have a house over there and something to.
Yeah. Ravangla downtown. Cute little town. Wow. So here we are, guys. That's the entrance of the Buddha. Big Buddha. Oh man, it looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see it from a closer range. So now time for a ticket, and I have a special discounts the other way around for foreigners. A little premium, cheeky little premium. For my friend here, he's gonna go with the student rate. Because he's got a good student face. Namaste. Namaste. How are you? One ticket, please. Man, that view, eh? That view with the laying Buddha, the mountain in the background, and the big Buddha right here. That's unbelievable, guys. Guys, check that out. We've got Mr. Vishal with his cute little backpack. That's how he got the student concession. And then you have the majestic Buddha right here. Unbelievable. This is so peaceful as well, eh? Man, loving it.
Look at the view behind the Buddha.
Yeah, the view behind the Buddha is unreal. Do you know if the actual summit of Kanchenjunga is here, or this is the range, mountain range?
Mountain range.
But you know, there is a 8,000. This Kanchenjunga peak is like 8,550.
Yeah.
Do you think it's one of them?
Yeah, it's one of them.
It's one of them, eh? The one behind, maybe.
Yeah.
When I was in Ladakh, I don't know if you heard of Nubra Valley. Yeah, so there is also a massive Buddha like this, which is, I don't know if it's higher, but this one is more like colorful.
Oh yeah.
And the surrounding
the
is...
detailing and all. You can see the detailing.
Yeah, the details is crazy. Let's go and check it out from a closer range.
Where are you came from?
Hello sir, how are you?
I am fine. Where are you came from?
I come from France, sir.
France. Which city?
Pleasure to meet you.
Which city?
Oh, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. It's not a big city. Yeah, it's a region called Normandy.
Oh.
Yeah. Where are you from? Kahan se ho?
हम लोग तो यहाँ इंडिया से है. We are came from India, this country.
Okay.
And from Kolkata.
Kolkata,
city of
West
God.
Bengal.
Saurav Ganguly Maharaj. Okay, thank you.
Great. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Take care. Yeah, so apparently there is a lake somewhere around here. Maybe behind, or maybe down there, I don't know. Man, the path that leads to the Buddha is amazing. The way they constructed it. Okay, so leading up to the beautiful Buddha statue, let us, me and my new assistant, Mr. Vishal, let us tell you a few facts about that beautiful Buddha. So it was built not so long ago. Started the construction in 2006, and they finished it only in 2013, so even less than 9 years ago. And Dalai Lama himself came for the inauguration. I was back in March, 25th of March 2013, and the Buddha is nothing less than 60 tons. 60 tons of, what is it made of?
Copper.
Copper. Yeah.
And it has a height of 130 feet.
130 feet, which is 40 meters for the ones who use the real proper unit of measure. 40 meters high, so it's actually higher than the one, remember guys, in Nubra Valley there was a massive one in Ladakh, and I think it was 33 meters. So I thought this one was smaller, but as we're getting closer to it now, it actually looks huge. There's a cool little fountain here. And the park around is unbelievable. So nice. Now just at the back of the statue you have so many praying wheels, as you can see, must be 100 of them, if no more. Pretty huge back. Yeah. So I lost my student friend Vishal. Let me see, he was walking around with his walking stick, trying to make shots like myself as well. He's got a massive selfie stick. So okay guys, now let's walk around the park a little bit, try to find a cool spot as well where I can fly the drone, because that's what we want to, eh? With the mountain in the background, I think the drone shots are going to be amazing too, so let's do it. I love all the quotes they have all around the park. This one is good too. Good behavior doesn't have any monetary value, but it has power to purchase million house. Whoa, that's a strong one, isn't it? especially when you don't have money. What's this one? You cannot suffer the past or future because they do not exist. That's true, they are only in your mind. What you are suffering is your memory and your imagination. Yes, the mind is very good at projecting itself in the future, you know. That's how we always envision ourselves, with riches, with a new car, with a new phone, with this and that. Whereas we don't know what's gonna happen. That's why I keep on riding. Because who knows what's gonna happen in 1, 2, 5, 10 years. Oh man, that park is really nice, eh? It's a cool fountain. I'm still looking for the lake. I was written on the article there is a lake somewhere, but maybe on the other side. Oh, this one is deep, guys. There is no fear for one whose mind is not filled with desire. From Buddha. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you why this big massive Buddha was built. It's to celebrate the 2550th anniversary of the birth of Gautama Buddha. I forgot Buddhists lived in the future as opposed to the Christian calendar. It's all good, I found my student mate. I thought I lost him forever. He was looking for the lake as well, like me, but there's no lake. Okay, now guys, we're back into Ravangla downtown, the markets. Namaste, namaste sir. And you have cobblers, you have veggie sellers, fruit sellers. You have some local students. Oh no, it's Vishal. Hello Vishal, how are you, brother?
I'm good.
I love my lame jokes. Yeah, we're just gonna have a quick coffee somewhere before heading back to our uncle's place, Chachu, Mr. Sherpa. Do you know his actual name? Because Sherpa is the... Baiji. Baiji. Is it a common name in India?
No, it's there.
It's their name, eh? Oh, bro, that's cool, eh? Local market, sneakers. Yeah, it's cute little alleyways, but it's a little far, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just go to the main strip and try some sweet.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, sir. Namaste.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
That's good. Oh man, it's so chill here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but the location is wrong, so everything organic, as Chachu would say. Nice. Looks very nice. Namaste. Let's go back through here. Yeah, flowers, ginger, veggies. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. How do you say like madam in Hindi, like when you address women? Because I always say bye, you know, but when I meet ladies like that, what should I say?
Madam,
you can say madam, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. Let's go here. Let's try this one. This one is sweet. Cheers. Namaste. Do you have coffee, sir?
Tea.
Only tea. Okay, tea. Good. Thank you. Aren't you shocked, boy, how cheap it is?
I know.
Look at that. Tea, 10 rupee. Samosa 10 rupee. Veg momo 50. Even chomin 40. It's so cheap. I love that how random they have pictures of London Bridge. Okay guys, leaving the cute little town of Ravangla and heading back to the best homestay in Sikkim, Mr. Sherpa Himalaya Homestay. Okay, my passenger is gonna become rider. Go for it, bro. Give me your jacket. I can also film with that if you want. The clutch is very sensitive. When you release it, just go slowly. 1 down, 5 up. Here we are. Tassidule. Here he is. Yeah, the backpack definitely makes a difference. All good? You can turn it off here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, brother. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
enjoyed, man. The first time I'm riding on TikTok.
Not the last time, bro. Not the last time. If I come back to Sikkim, I'll 100% come back here. I mean, it's such a nice place. Okay, this is it. Back to Himalaya Homestay, guys. Time for lunch.
Hello.
Mr. Sherpa. Okay, bro, so did you enjoy the ride?
Yeah, pretty much enjoyed.
My first passenger, well, not the first one I take on a bike, but for like a day trip like that. So that was cool, man. We had a great time.
Thank you so much.
Ravingla was great. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I'll go to Gangtok, which is the capital of Sikkim, get the permits done for northern Sikkim. See you soon.